Oh, that root beer float is good. And you know what else is good? Is learning how to do affiliate marketing with Amazon's affiliate program. I'm going to show you for beginners how you can market Amazon as an affiliate in 2020, and I'm going to lead you step by step right here on my computer how to do this. Now, I've made millions of dollars from affiliate marketing. I make about $1 million a month, and Amazon has one of the best affiliate programs around. I'll be showing you how you can sign up, how you can get traffic, and how you get paid. So let's get into it. Let's hop on my computer right now, and I'm going to show you everything step by step. Now, first, if you don't understand what affiliate marketing is, it might help to understand this bit before we move forward, because affiliate marketing is kind of a complex new concept. It flies over most people's head, but it is the future of sales and marketing. So how it works is basically there is an affiliate network, okay? And Amazon is an affiliate network because you can sell any product on Amazon and make money, and Amazon would pay you. So now with an affiliate network, there are also affiliates, and then there are customers. And the way it works is that as an affiliate, you will get a link from Amazon and you will deliver that link to the customer. So Amazon gives you a link and you put that link on the internet on sites like Google, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and the customer clicks the link, and if they buy a product, then you get your commission, okay? And typical commission is about 5% on Amazon. You can make anywhere from 5 to 10% of whatever anybody buys on Amazon. And Amazon sells about $1 billion worth of product every single day. So that means roughly the opportunity for affiliates is about $50 to $100 million every single day. So there's a lot of money to be made. Now, what this looks like is when you sign up, you will see this big thing called Amazon Associates SiteStripe, and this is how I get my affiliate links. But to get this little toolbar, which is supplied by Amazon to show up, what you need to first do is you need to go to Amazon.com and you need to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. And you need to go to the section that says Make Money with Us. Look at all these ways you can make money with Amazon. Did you know that there were so many ways you can make money with Amazon? We're only going to be talking about one of these ways you can make money with Amazon right here, but there are a lot of other ways you can make money with this $1 trillion company. So the opportunity is endless with Amazon. And if you are excited so far, because I'm only going to be talking about one of these, talk about some of these others in other videos, but if you are excited about this, type in Amazon money in the chat right now or in the comments, because I mean, it is a gold mine out there, people. It has never been better time to quit your job, to drop out of college, and to start making money for yourself and being self-employed. And look, there's even more, okay? So we're gonna click right here, Become an Affiliate. And you click that to sign up, and they accept affiliates from almost every country in the world. And as you see right here, earn up to 10% advertising fees with a trusted partner, e-commerce leader. And it's free to join, okay? So we're gonna click right here to join, and they tell you, how much you can get paid. You earn different amounts on different items. So you earn only 5% on digital goods. Different products you earn different amounts on, but you can earn up to 10%. So we'll click join now for free, and that would be how you join. Now, once you've joined, this SiteStripe will show up on anytime you go to Amazon, okay? This little bar up here, and this is where you'll get your links. So how do you get links for a specific product though? Here's a really good book I recently read. It's by Cormac McCarthy called Blood Meridian. Amazing Western book that takes place on the kind of Texas-Mexico border during the wars with Mexico in the 1800s. I mean, it's unbelievable. This author also wrote the movie No Country for Old Men, and he has a whole series of books that take place in usually Texas or the South, and they're really dark, but really good and just, I mean, they're good reads. I read this book. It's a page turner, Blood Meridian. And let's say I wanted to talk to people, or I wanted to send an email to my friends and say, hey, just wanted to give you a book update or something. I wanted to sell it online, right? So I would type in Blood Meridian. Here's the book by Cormac McCarthy. Now, what I would do is I would talk about this. I would copy the link. See, right up here is where I would just get link. And this link is going to populate literally for this book. So we can just copy this, and if we put it in, right, see, we just paste it in, it'll go to that same page. Now, what's great about this, though, is it looks like it's the same page, but if somebody buys this book after using your link, you end up getting 5% of the money. Pretty cool, right? So that's how it works, get about 50 cents. So now the question is, we got our link, we understand how affiliate marketing works, we know what we're going to promote, we're going to talk about a book, but how do we get traffic, right? There are plenty of ways to get traffic. Can you actually name a place you can't post a link? You can't. You can post links on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn. You can place links anywhere on the internet, and that's where we go to do. So what I'm going to do, though, is I am going to, maybe I'll answer somebody's question, and I'll type in Blood Meridian, okay? Who is the judge in Blood Meridian, okay? So I'm going to talk about this book, and I'm going to say the judge is the personification of death, So I'm just going to answer this, and I say the judge in Blood Meridian is the personification of death. Okay, so I just wrote a sentence, and I'd say I highly recommend this book, as well as Cormac McCarthy's other books in the Border trilogy. You can get it here. And I just put a link, and then I put submit, and boom, okay? So there we go. And I would just say, I don't need to add a credential, but that's it. So there we go. Now we posted a link, and hopefully some people see my post and end up clicking my link to buy the book. Now you can do this for anything, right? You can post links on, maybe there is a Facebook group that talks about Cormac McCarthy, the author, right? So we could post it on his page, be like, thank you so much, I just read your book, it was amazing. We could find book clubs, maybe he has a fan page, Cormac McCarthy support group, right? Maybe we can find book clubs, okay? So let's see if there are any book groups. Here's a book club on Facebook, so we could join it. Usually you have to write, answer a couple questions to join a book club, or, any group on Facebook. So you could join this group, monthly book group, and join group, boom. And there's some questions. So you could join those groups and post links to books. You could do a lot of different things to get your link out there. There's a lot of places where people talk about books. You could start an Instagram profile about books. You could do a YouTube video where you sit there and you say, okay, today, this week, we are talking about this book by Cormac McCarthy. This is my review. This is a book review of Blood Meridian. You could do a million things, but you don't have to do it for just books. You could promote any sort of product around, and there are literally millions and millions of products that you can promote online for any sort of thing. Now, it might have seemed pretty easy because it is very easy. And the fact of the matter is, affiliate marketing is so simple, and that's why it's exploding. Now, the only thing about Amazon affiliate marketing that you have to understand is that 5 to 10% commission, while that seems pretty nice, it's actually quite low, okay? And there are products that you can sell as an affiliate where you can earn as much as 90% commissions. In fact, if you're a really advanced affiliate marketer, there are sites where you can earn 1,000% commission, so that if somebody buys a product worth $5, you can get $50 worth of commission for helping that startup company generate a customer. So if you want to go deeper into affiliate marketing, that's what I do for a living. I make over $900,000 a month doing affiliate marketing for a living. You can check out my income reports on this channel. But if you want to go deeper, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video. It's pretty cool, right? How easy affiliate marketing is. And also, if you want to go deeper with me and have me as your mentor, click Join the Money Club. It's $50 a month, and you can be a part of my twice a monthly live training, live stream things on YouTube. And you will also get about 40 hours of step-by-step trainings from me available to my Money Club members only. So let's get it. If you enjoyed this video, every single day we're going over new money-making methods, so you're gonna see them as a subscriber. And remember, drop out of school, quit your job, and take back control of your life. Stop letting the social media use you, because that's what it's doing, the technology. It's using you, it's taking your attention, and it's making money off of it. And let's take back control and start using it to make money for ourselves and live a life of freedom. Freedom. See you soon.